another video here with this is Christian back with another video. Um Yesterday I went out to Academy Sports and got two new spinner baits to fish with. They are the 1/4 and 3/8, I think. 1/4 and 1/2 or 1/4 and 3/8 or something like that. Got them both at your local Academy Sports for only $4.43. They were in the clearance aisle for $4.43. So any of y'all like fishing, go ahead and go to y'all's local Academy Sports and look in y'all's fishing section, clearance section for these. Really good. They catch largemouth bass or whatever you prefer.